Hello everyone, this is Tapesh Gaur. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to share my views on success is not final and failure is not fatal. So I'll start with a story of few successful people. It's like we'll start with a success story of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is a known personality, known to all of us. Steve Jobs is a founder of Apple. So uh, it's a known fact he started Apple with two people from a garage, and right now Apple is a $2 billion company having 4,000 employees. And one more fact is that he was fired from the company he began. And according to him, he shared one statement that uh, it was one of the great thing happened to his life when he was fired from Apple, because he has learned the reason. He introspect ki why he got fired from the Apple. So the reason of sharing this story is because he rejoined as a CEO of Apple. So the reason of sharing this story, there is a hidden lesson in it. Like feel he didn't get so much excited from his success, and he didn't even disappointed from his failure. He learned from his success and he equally learned from his failure. Let's have a second example of Bill Gates. Bill Gates, who is a Harvard dropout, and started a partnership firm for on some database partnership firm, which was a sheer failure. But he didn't get disappointed, and his passion towards programming is known to all of us, and he created a company, Microsoft. And at the age of 31, at the youngest 31 years of age, he was one of the youngest billionaire across the world. And according to Bill Gates also, he shared his statement that it is necessary to celebrate the success, but it's equally important to learn the lesson from failure. Let's have an example of one other famous scientist, that is Albert Einstein. All of us knows that Einstein was can't even speak fluently at the age of 9, and he was expelled from the school also because of his rebellious nature. And he was not even get the admission in Zurich Polytechnic Institute. But still, it's a known fact what he has given to the society, and his researches are known to all of us. So, guys, there is a specific reason of sharing the stories of all these successful people. Like they had given some, or at the other way, they had given the masses to all of us that success is not final. You didn't find them that they got extraordinarily excited because of the success, and you don't even find them getting disappointed because of the failure. So this statement suits to their profile, that success is not final and failure is not fatal. So we should have hidden learning from both first from success also and from failure also. Guys, this is all about my understanding about the subject. Hope you guys has enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. Stay healthy, stay safe.